Welcome to our ESS class. Children, last class we studied lesson 11, Saving the Environment. Hope you all have studied. Did you all read the textbook? Studied the question answers? Now, today we are going to start new lesson. Lesson 12, that is natural disasters. Okay. What is disaster? Natural, you know, Prakrithiyal, what all things are happening. Prakrithiyal endellam nadakkunnu, that is natural. Okay, now what is disaster? Disaster is sudden natural event that can damage life and property. Okay, sudden means പെട്ടെന്ന് പ്രകൃതിയിൽ പെട്ടെന്ന് ഒരു സംഭവം നടക്കുന്നു, അതുകൊണ്ട് വാട്ട് ഹാപ്പൻസ് ലൈഫിനും പ്രോപ്പർട്ടിക്കും ഡാമേജ് വരും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഡിസാസ്റ്റർ. നൗ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ക്ലിയർ, നോ? Disaster means it is sudden natural event that cause damage to life and property. And this disaster can be either man-made and also it can be, as well as it can be natural also. Okay, natural and man-made, both are possible. And children, there are many natural disasters. Earthquakes, you all have heard earthquakes, Bhumigulukam. Earthquakes, floods, volcanic eruption, tsunami, cyclones, landslides, drought. What are the names? Now you learn the names, and each one we are going to learn in detail in this lesson. Okay, now just learn the names. What are the natural disasters? That is earthquakes, flood, volcanic eruption, tsunami, cyclones, landslide, and drought. Now children, these disasters, they are caused by constant changes that occur on Earth's surface. That is, on the Earth's surface. Earth's surface means what? Bhumide puram something that what is outside. Okay, so there on the outside Earth, that on the surface of the earth, what is happening? Because of that changes only these disasters are occurring. Okay, now we are going to learn in detail earthquake. First one we are taking earthquake. Earthquake, what is earthquake? Bhumigulukam, but we have heard it, isn't it? Now what is it? It is sudden shaking of the ground, and that is caused due to the disturbance beneath the earth's surface. Sudden means what? Pettannu. Sudden shaking of the ground. Bhumile purambagam, that surface il sudden aayittu shaking undava, kulukku undava. That is earthquake. And it is caused, engane adu undavunna? It is caused due to disturbances beneath the earth's surface. ഇപ്പൊ ഇതൊരു എർത്ത് ആണെങ്കിൽ, ഇതിന്റെ സർഫസ് ആണെങ്കിൽ, ഈ സർഫസിൽ, ഈ പുറം ഭാഗത്ത്, ഈ സർഫേസിൽ വരുന്ന ആ ഡിസ്റ്റർബൻസസ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് earthquake, and it is caused by some disturbances. Disturbances means what? എന്തോ ഒരു, you know what is disturbances? ആ എന്തോ സംഭവിക്കുന്നത്, what is happening, that is just beneath it. അതിന്റെ തൊട്ട് താഴ്ഭാഗത്ത്, അതിന്റെ കീഴേല്, ഇതിന്റെ ഈ താഴെ, ഇപ്പൊ ഇവിടെയാണ് ഭൂമി ഉരുക്കുമെങ്കിൽ ഇതിന്റെ തൊട്ട് താഴ്ഭാഗത്ത് വരുന്ന ആ ഒരു ഡിസ്റ്റർബൻസ് കാരണം കൊണ്ടാണ് ഇവിടെ earthquake ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത്. Understood? And now we are going to learn that what is the names and all. That is the point below the earth's surface where the earthquake occurred, that is called focus. That is, suppose this is earth. This bhumiyanu vicharikke. Suppose this is earth, and now here this place is the disturbances. That is shaking of the earth. Earth surface, ഇവിടെ earthquake നടക്കാണ്. So the point beneath this, ഇവിടെ തൊട്ട് താഴെയുള്ള പോയിന്റ്, this point is called focus. The point just below the earth's surface where the disturbances are there, that point is called, this point is called focus. What is it? Focus. And here what happens? Here disturbances or vibrations or tremors that move to the surface of the earth. Okay, and this portion where where shaking is there, this portion is called epicenter. This portion is called epicenter. And here this epicenter, here this portion, it causes more damage. ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ കുലുക്കം, കൂടുതൽ ഡാമേജ് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്, what is that? This epicenter. And here if far to epicenter means that damage causes will be very, very less. And now we have to see how it is measured. The magnitude of the earthquake is measured using Richter scale. The magnitude means എത്രത്തോളം this earthquake is there, kulakam undu, that can be measured, that magnitude can be measured using Richter scale. What is it? Using Richter scale. And higher the magnitude, Richter scale il kooduthalanu kanikkanengil, higher it is means there will be more damage. In the Richter scale, if the magnitude is higher, എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും? More damage. More damage means what? There will be uprooting of trees. Trees ഒക്കെ കട പറഞ്ഞ് വീഴുക. Then collapsing, what is it? Buildings. Then what happened? Roads, bridges അതൊക്കെ മറിഞ്ഞ് വീഴുക. Understood? All these happens in higher magnitude. And not only that, sometimes it creates rifts also. Rift means what? Cracks on the surface. ചില സമയത്ത് earthquake കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവിടെ വിള്ളൽ കാണാം. What is it? Cracks on the earth surface. And next this one, seismic sound. Seismic sound, have you heard of seismic sound? What is seismic sound? Seismic sound means it is the area where there is high risk of earthquake. That area prone to earthquake. Earthquake-ന് കൂടുതൽ സാധ്യതയുള്ള ഏരിയയാണ് seismic zone എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Is it clear? Seismic zone. And in India, Himalaya is a highly risk place for earthquake, and it comes under seismic zone. In India, Himalaya comes under seismic zone. And children, now next we are going to learn measures for safety. Children, here measures for safety, we have to see that in earthquake time what all measures you should take in order to keep ourselves safe. നമ്മൾ രക്ഷപ്പെടാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് earthquake സമയത്ത് നമ്മൾ എന്തൊക്കെ ചെയ്യണം, that we have to know. Okay, for that houses constructed in that seismic zone, കൂടുതൽ earthquake ഉണ്ടാകാൻ സാധ്യതയുള്ള those areas where houses are constructed, how we have to construct in a way that we survive earthquakes. We must be that house should be able to survive earthquake. ഒരു വീട് പണിയുമ്പോൾ അത് earthquake-നെ ചെറുത്ത് നിൽക്കാൻ കഴിവുള്ള വീടുകളായിരിക്കണം. Understood? It should be able to, we should be able to survive earthquake. Then next is move to open space. That is, if you are in a house or anywhere, we have to see that when earthquake occurs, you should move to open space. Move to open space away from buildings, lamp posts and electric transformers. നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഓപ്പൺ സ്പേസിൽ വേണം മൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ? We have to see that there should not be any buildings or any trees or any electric post or any electric transformers. We should see that you are away from all these places. Okay, the next one, if you are stuck inside the house, വീട്ടിന്റെ അകത്തായി പോയി earthquake time, then we are not able to go out. Then we have to take shelter under the desk or table. So take shelter under a table or desk. നല്ല സ്ട്രോങ് ഉള്ള ഡെസ്കിന്റെ മേശയുടെ അടിയിൽ ഷെൽട്ടർ തേടി പോകും. Understood? Then we will be safe. Then buildings should have emergency exit, and whenever we build a building, there should be an emergency exit. In any emergency case, we should be able to go away, run out of the building. So there should be a way, exit should be there, and we should use that in the earthquake time. And not only that, you should avoid taking lift. Don't use lift during the earthquake time. Then if you are in a vehicle, get out of the vehicle soon. If you are in a car or bus, what you should do, you suddenly, if you feel that earthquake is there, go out of the vehicle. Okay, these are the important measures you have to take for safety. That is, you have to see that house constructed means it should be able to survive earthquake. Then move to, in an earthquake time, you should move to an open space where there is no electric post or electric lamps, or no big trees or buildings, or there should not be any electric transformers. Then what is the next point? That is, suppose you are stuck inside the house, what you should do? Take shelter under the table or desk. Then all the buildings should have an emergency exit, so that in that case you can run out through that exit, and don't use lift. Then if you are in vehicle, go out of the vehicle. Understood? Next, we are going to learn next natural disaster. What we are going to learn is flood. Children, you all have heard about flood, isn't it? In Kerala, we are familiar, and not only that, we experienced flood. What is Malayalam word? Pralayam, isn't it? Vellapokkam. Okay, that flood in 2018 we had experienced here in Kerala. Okay, so I need not explain more. You know nicely what happened. ഇല്ലേ, എന്താണ് സംഭവിച്ചത് നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും നല്ലതായിട്ട് ഓർമ്മയുണ്ട് എന്താണ് ഫ്ലഡ് സമയത്ത് സംഭവിച്ചത്. So what is that actually? Flood means what? That is, flood എങ്ങനെയാണ് സംഭവിക്കുന്നത്? How it occurs? That is, normally you know that our rivers and lakes and all, normal water is there, isn't it? So when there is excessive, that is when there is water flows out of the boundary of rivers and lakes, that is flood. That is, when volume of water in water bodies like rivers and lakes overflows its boundaries, it is called flood. Okay, അതായത് വെള്ളം റിവേഴ്സിലും ലേക്കിലും കവിഞ്ഞൊഴുകുക പുറത്തേക്ക്, that is called flood. And when it happens, do you remember in 2018 what happened? There was excessive rainfall. നല്ല കണ്ടമാനം മഴയായിരുന്നു, isn't it? Excessive rainfall. And what is that? Greater, it also happens when there is great snow melting also. If there is great snow melt also, the flood can occur. Okay, then it can also be caused due to landslides, strong tides, storms, and cyclones, tsunamis, and also these can also cause flood. ഈ സമയത്തും ഫ്ലഡ് ഉണ്ടാവും. ലാൻഡ് സ്ലൈഡ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മണ്ണിടിച്ചിൽ, അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്. So when there is landslide, then a strong tide. Tide no have you heard? So when that time also, when it is very strong, there is chance of flood. Then where there is what is that, cyclones, ചുഴലിക്കാറ്റ്, ആ ടൈമിലൊക്കെ ഫ്ലഡ് ഉണ്ടാവാൻ ചാൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, then what are the damages and destructions caused by flood? അത് നമ്മൾ നേരിട്ടതാണ് അല്ലേ. എന്തൊക്കെ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടായിരുന്നു നമുക്ക് ഫ്ലഡ് ടൈമിൽ. What is that? It caused destruction of human beings, animals, houses, bridges, cars, and what all things, trees, crops, everything was destroyed. ഇല്ലേ, ഓർക്കുന്നില്ലേ എന്തൊക്കെ നാശനഷ്ടങ്ങളാണ് ഉണ്ടായത് ഫ്ലഡ് ടൈമിൽ. സോ ഓൾ ദീസ് തിങ്സ് ഹാപ്പൻസ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഡിസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ഹ്യൂമൻ ബീയിങ്സ്. കുറേ മനുഷ്യർക്ക് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുണ്ടായി. ദെൻ ആനിമൽസ്, മെനി animals also died. Then what happened? Houses, bridges, crops, ഇതിനൊക്കെ നാശനഷ്ടം ഉണ്ടായി. And not only that, it also affect agriculture also. Agriculture, how it affects? Because when there is a stagnant water, വെള്ളം കെട്ടിക്കിടക്കുമ്പോൾ what happens? That is the crops, it harms crops. And also that soil becomes that is unsuitable for farming. ആ മണ്ണ് പിന്നെ കൃഷിക്ക് പറ്റാതെ, ഉപയോഗം അല്ലാത്ത രീതിയിലാവും. Understand? So all these are the destructions caused by flood. Now we are going to learn here measures for safety. What are the steps we should take when we are facing flood? So first thing is that keep a first aid kit. You must keep a first aid kit always ready. You know that what is first aid kit? What all things should be there? Emergency medicines and all should be there in that first aid kit. So keep a first aid kit ready. Then second one emergency kit should be there. That is, if flood is there, you should take the kit and run off. So one kit should be ready. And in that emergency kit, what all should be there? Rope should be there. Strong rope. Less strong aitla kayaru venam. Then radio should be there. That is, we should hear the information, no? അതുകൊണ്ട് we should keep a radio. Batteries should be there. Torch should be there. Then fresh water for drinking water should be there. Then keep some dry food. നമുക്കതിന് ഭക്ഷണം ഇല്ലാതെ വരും. സോ കേടുവരാതെ ഇരിക്കാവുന്ന കുറച്ച് ഡ്രൈ ഫുഡ് keep it. And you have to keep some salt, sugar and all. Take some matchbox, keep a matchbox. And what is it? Take waterproofing bags. Waterproofing bags means what? വെള്ളം കേറാത്ത ബാഗുകൾ. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് അതിൽ എന്തൊക്കെ പറ്റും? നമുക്ക് തുണികളൊക്കെ അതിനകത്ത് എടുത്തു വെക്കാം. മാച്ച് ബോക്സ്, that തീപ്പെട്ടി. Then waterproofing bags. Waterproofing bags means what? വെള്ളം കേറാത്ത ബാഗുകൾ. അപ്പൊ ഡ്രസ്സൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് എടുത്തു വെക്കാം. Then what is it? We can keep any papers or anything, whatever is needed, you can keep it. And not only that, keep some bamboo stick, mulavadi. Understood? All these should be there in an emergency kit. Then plant more trees. What happens if you plant more trees? You know, roots of the plants will hold the soil tightly. So to some extent, flood water moving out can be blocked. So കുറച്ച് extent വരെ ഫ്ലഡിനെ prevent ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. Then next one, listen to radio and watch television information. Okay, so always you know that in we experienced in 2018, what happened? That is, we can hear we can see the radio alert, TV also, which place is having more problems and all will be information we will get it. So you should listen to radio or watch television. Then switch off all electrical appliances. All electricals, appliances, TV, fridge, all whatever it is there, you have to switch off. Then move to upper level buildings. You know, if it is double storied building and all, as far as possible, move to higher level, to upper level of building, and move to a safer place. And not only that, see that you should not walk through flood water. Flood വെള്ളത്തിലൂടെ നടക്കരുത്. Understood? These are the safety measures we have to take for flood. What is it? First one is that keep first aid kit ready. Second one emergency kit should be there, and all these things should be included in emergency kit. Then third one, plant more trees. Then fourth one, listen to radio and watch TV information. Fifth one, switch off all electrical appliances. Sixth one, move to upper level of the building and don't walk through flood water. Children, by this we end our class here, and our next portion, that is cyclones, we will do in the next class. Thank you.